On September 27, 2024, Hurricane Helene slammed into Impact Plastics in Irwin, Tennessee, and the subsequent flooding claimed 6 victims who were among the employees working at the plant despite a state of emergency issued by the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency the previous day. Impact Plastics is facing lawsuits from at least one family following claims that workers were not allowed to leave despite worsening conditions. Allegations the company denies. The company is now facing additional scrutiny after an act of good faith is being called a, quote, slap in the face by the victims' families. According to WSMV, when Impact Plastics sent final paychecks to families, they included $100 in gift cards to McDonald's, Walmart, and Pals, an area fast food chain. Some family members say the gesture added insult to injury. Guillermo Mendoza, whose mother Bertha died at the factory, said, quote, it was like, your mom died, but go get a burger. The cards were also sent to employees who lived through the incident. Some were also disturbed by the gift. Luke Widener, an attorney representing the victims, called the gesture a, quote, slap in the face. Impact Plastics did not immediately respond to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.